Good morning, guys. I hope you're all having a very relaxing morning. I just woke up. I've been in the habit of waking up every day at 6:30. It's also been so easy to implement while being in a different environment than I'm used to. I've easily started doing this by going to bed at 10 p.m. every single night, and it's been amazing. I do have to thank a book I read, which I'll show you guys right now. This book, it has really changed my perspective on the importance of habits and gives some great tips on how to form new ones and break old ones. This kind of inspired a lot of the things in this video that I've been wanting to implement in my life for a long time, but never actually took the action and did it. I highly recommend this as a summer read if you're not reading a book right now. Atomic Habits by James Clear, so amazing. With that being said, I do have some things that I've been implementing that are new to my routine. I've started every single morning with a run, so I was doing this back at home as well, but I've kind of been pushing myself a little bit further. Another thing I've been doing, which actually was inspired by this book, is laying out my workout clothes the night before. So I have them folded right beside me on the floor. That was one of the big things about forming habits, is make it obvious, make it attractive, make it satisfying. There's all these different tips, but I'm definitely going to use the make it obvious one for my working out because that just makes it one step easier. Another thing that I feel like I should mention to you guys, I love that I feel like I can really talk to you guys. Like, I know I'm talking to a camera, but I feel like you guys are really listening, and when I receive comments on my videos, it's just like the best thing ever because it's like you guys respond to what I say in my videos. So I'm just like, I need to tell you guys this and this. You guys already know that I have my specific goal book here. I mention it in probably every single video. And then this is my diary book. I'm trying to form the habit of journaling absolutely every single day. That doesn't mean I'm going to be writing 3-page entries. I could be doing a 1 line per day. It's just forming the habit of the action of remembering to do it. And another thing I do when I'm finished my entry for the day is I'll follow up with an exact routine of what I want to do the next morning or day if I have specific things. I'll write at the time I want to wake up, so 6:30 wake, and then I'll write 6:45 run, followed up by breakfast. I'll just write out everything that I want to get done. If you are not writing out your goals and your to-do lists, it's gonna be pretty close to impossible to make them happen because you don't have a clear roadmap of what you want to do. When I write out what I want to do the night before, the chances of me doing it are 90% higher. Habit I have formed, which just proved to me in this past 5 minutes, is not checking my phone in the morning. I just put my AirPods in and I'm like, where's my phone? Because all I do is turn my alarm off and then that's it. I don't check my phone until after I've had my run. Also, I don't have any social media right now. I'm doing a little social media cleanse for the 2 weeks that I'm here. Also, I wanted to mention to you guys something that I've been implementing, which is called habit stacking, and that's when you basically implement a new habit after one that you already have. So there's no way that you'll forget the new one because you're already doing like the prerequisite before. For example, my habit stacking for this morning, I have coffee every morning. So what I'm gonna do is I can't have my coffee until I wanna run. So I wake up, I'm like, coffee. That's what I'm used to doing. It's the routine I'm in, but then I remember I have to run before I have my coffee. It makes it so that it's impossible to forget. You can't do one thing until you do the other.
So then, if you see, on the other hand, that existence is musical in nature, that is to say that it is not serious, it is the play.
I look beat, but I just finished my run. I am sweating so much. I'm gonna go put my bathing suit on and get into the goddamn water. This is the bathing suit I'm wearing today. I thrifted this top and it is featured in one of my thrift hauls. I will link that below. But we're gonna go get coffee, bring it to the dock, and then get into the water. That's basically what I've been doing after my runs. I'm gonna bring my books and sunglasses down. I'm currently reading this book called Bunny.
And there would be composers who wrote only finales. People go to concert just to hear them crashing chords, because that's the end.
I'm gonna go make something to eat. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna make because our avocados are not ripe, and that's usually what I have every morning. So this is rye bread with ricotta, tomato sauce, and an egg, and spinach on the side. He's having 3. It's like lasagna with an egg.
Yeah. Yeah, literally fucking is.
My hair looks so fucked after I get into the water. It's not even like a cute, messy vibe. It's just like dreadlocks, I swear. So I'm covering myself with this hat. Still tan when I wear sunscreen, so it just helps me from not getting burned. This is the Banana Boat. It's SPF 30, and I just apply this all over. I have such bad bug bites right here. I have 3 from sitting out at the campfire. I have just really been vibing up here, like not kidding. I'm living my best life right now. And it's such a good break from being at home. Obviously I was at home way more than usual because of isolation, and I'm just resetting, recharging. I think I've been on my phone for 5 minutes today. Like, my phone is the biggest thing that I'm taking a break from, and basically what all my habits revolve around. I'm literally recharging and then going back to the city, and I'm gonna continue to implement everything I've been doing here. It's definitely easier to make changes when you're not in your normal environment.